Hello, everyone. Welcome to the world of cryptography and see how your data stays safe online. So, every time when you send a message, you buy something online, or you log into a social media, so cryptography is working behind the scenes. But what exactly is cryptography and why it is so important? Let's break it down very simply. So, let's first understand what is cryptography. So, cryptography is nothing just a secret communication. So, cryptography is the science of protecting the information. It transforms readable data called the plain text into a unreadable data called cipher text. And only someone with the right key can turn it back to the plain text. So, in short, cryptography keeps your data private, authentic, and secure. Now, let's discuss why do we need the cryptography. So, we live in the digital world where information is constantly moving through networks. Without cryptography, hackers could steal password, read private messages, or even impersonate you online. So, cryptography protects your password, your bank transactions, your identity, messages on app like WhatsApp, Signal, or iMessage. Now, let's discuss the basic terms related to the cryptography. So, cryptography has three important terms: encryption, decryption, and key. So, encryption turning your plain text into a cipher text, while decryption turn your cipher text back into the plain text. And the key is a secret code that controls both encryption and decryption. Now let's discuss the basic types of the cryptography. So there are three types of the cryptography: symmetric, asymmetric, and hash function. So let's first discuss the symmetric cryptography. So in symmetric cryptography, one key is used to lock and unlock. In symmetric cryptography, the we uses the same key for the encryption and decryption, so it's fast and efficient, and it's great for encrypting the large amount of data. For example, there is an algorithm called AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, that is used for symmetric encryption. Now let's discuss the another type of cryptography, that is a asymmetric cryptography. Uh, Asymmetric cryptography uses two keys. One is public and one is private. So a public key is used to encrypt the messages, while a private key is used to decrypt the message. So this solves the problem of safely sharing the keys over the internet. And the example of asymmetric cryptographic algorithm is a RSA algorithm. Now let's discuss third main functions of cryptography, that is a hash function. So in hash function, a file becomes a unique fingerprint. So hashing turns data into a unique fingerprint. So it uses used to verify the integrity, meaning to check if something has to be tampered with. There is an algorithm called SHA-256 that is used in a Bitcoin. And the important pointer for the hash function is a hash cannot be reversed. As in the cryptography, we can reverse the encryption, we can reverse the encryption while doing the decryption. Now let's discuss some real life examples of cryptography. So we notice that cryptography uh, is everywhere, and we can find some real examples like HTTPS protects the website you visit. In the Messages like WhatsApp, messengers like WhatsApp, your messages are end to end encrypted. And while we are putting the password for the login, the passwords are protected by the hash functions. And there are digital signatures that are used to verify the authenticity of emails, softwares, and documents. So, uh, there is a vast future of the cryptography, and as the technology evolves, so does the cryptography also. And there is a role of the quantum computers also. So quantum computers may one day break the current encryption methods that we see nowadays, but the researchers are already developing the post quantum cryptography to stay ahead. So, the cryptography is everywhere, protecting your privacy, your money, and your digital identity. So, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what topic I should cover next. Thank you.